Welcome to the VCC Learning Centre. The Learning Centre provides free academic and career support for VCC students. We can help you with the skills and strategies you need to achieve your learning goals. We have many services to support your learning. Our professional tutors meet with students one-on-one to help with a variety of subjects. Appointments are available from Monday to Friday. You can meet with a tutor in person at either our Broadway or downtown campus or online. English tutors. English tutors can help you practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. They can also support your academic writing skills at any stage of the writing process. And they can help you with your resume, cover letter, and interview skills. Math Science Tutors. The Math Science Tutors help students with most math, physics, and chemistry courses at VCC. You can also ask questions about lab reports and get help with lab report writing. Life Sciences Tutor. You can get help from the Life Sciences Tutor for biology, anatomy, and physiology, and health sciences courses like pharmacology and medical terminology. You can also work with the Life Sciences Tutor on lab report writing and research papers for health sciences. Academic Coaching. If you need help with study skills, time management, note-taking, and test-taking, you can book an academic coaching appointment with the Learning Centre coordinator. To book an appointment and for more information and resources, please visit our website at learningcentre.vcc.ca. We hope to see you soon.